We got a beautiful gift, Earth, that gave us so much love in the form of water, food, plants, sunlight to grow and evolve. But as we evolved, we went opposite to nature and began exploiting the gift, making Earth suffer. Do we know how to change that? We got a Vox Populi to check what we know.
What are the major environmental problems on Earth?
प्रॉब्लम तो बहुत बड़ी है वो
Basically the pollution,
वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट करना है.
traffic, lot of noise pollution, lot of smoke.
मैं इतना ही कर सकता हूँ मेरा वेस्टेज कम हो.
There's a lot of talk these days about Swachh Bharat Maan, global warming and environmental issues. But we need to be more practical about such things. So the best people to be practical are the children. It's the children who can motivate the community. It's the children who can motivate the parents, the country at large, to take action to make this dream into a reality.
Most of us aren't even aware of the issues, and if we are aware, then we don't know what we can do as an individual person to solve them. Everyone is waiting for someone else to take the first step.
We decided to be that someone else and we just started.
To start with, we had a clear problem. The clear problem was making all the children more action oriented, so they could take whatever they have learned in the classrooms outside into the communities and make it a part of their lifestyles.
But before we started in the whole school, we wanted to test the impact of our project.
We decided to prototype 2 classes. One class would have all the activities as they are going on in the school, and one class would have activities from Project Yes.
So we made a game step by step. So we designed this game together. In this game, when you do something good for the environment, you go steps ahead. And when you do something bad for the environment, you go steps behind. And children really enjoyed playing this. So the next step was to take this game to more and more children so they could play and learn about the environment. So what we did was we made this game digitally. Step by step went into the computer labs of our school and almost all the children of the school could play it. The game was so simple that we decided to take it to the community. We made it for the children in the government school and for the ones who do not understand English. So we made the same game in Hindi and Punjabi. Did you know that 8 such bottles can be converted into one shirt, which is pretty cool? So my friend and I, we came up with this idea of doing something about these plastic bottles that are wasted each year. Generally what happens is that we tend to recycle these bottles by storing water in them and drinking it without realizing the fact that they're actually very harmful for us. So we did our research and we found out that these bottles were made out of a common constituent, that is PET, which means that they can be melted and formed into yarn.
What was interesting about Learning Paths, that I've worked with them over the last 2 years, I've seen how they've grown in their thoughts and their ideas. So one of my favorite products that they came up with was the car trash can, which Shashank, a student, came up with as a solution to how children litter from their cars after they've eaten in a car and they just sort of throw it out. This kind of an introduction to education in schools is extremely important. It prepares students for a more engaged and a more conscious living for their future.
As a school requires a lot of paper and there is a lot of paper wastage. So we decided to purchase a paper recycling.
And the best of all, Rahagiri, where the students not only showcased their talent, but even they took their learnings outside to the community and built a good community outreach program. Through Project Yes, our young eco-samurais created a wonderful model, and based on the collective observations of this project, we realized that to break these cognitive barriers that prevent us from taking good environmental decisions, we need to involve our kids at a young age. Once the students are given the responsibility, the project becomes active. Say yes!